To briefly show you around on your dashboard. This area is where you will always submit your check-ins or your day one entries. This plus sign will take you to where you will submit everything. Your meal plan is located right here with your complete macronutrients. You can click the view/download and it will give you a nice form that you can go ahead and save to your computer or to your phone. This has all of your basic information, your current weight, your trainer's name, and then also you want to join the private Facebook group. So this is Dr. Lindsey's Facebook group here. And then this is the huge transformation Facebook group, which is awesome as well. So you want to join both of those groups. Next, on the right hand corner here, you will have your workouts, your daily workouts. So you can scroll through, you can see your future workouts, and you can see your past workouts. You can also download this as a PDF. Just click this blue button. Next, a really important feature here is your weigh-ins. So every time you check in every week, I would recommend you just update your weight. So I'm just going to update it here quickly because this will then update your macros. So the more weight you lose, maintain, or gain, it will update what you need to eat for the day or for the week, which is awesome. Next, you have more tools. You have a weight journal, your contest card, your exercise log, and nutrition log. These are just more tools for you to use to be successful. Some more awesome things. You can get more workouts, more nutrition tips, help with some supplements. This blog has a lot of different kind of information and personal stories. So go ahead and explore your dashboard, and if you have any questions, go ahead and just write them on our team Facebook page.